How to fix Minecraft Realm Subscription Renewal. First, you want to simply open the Minecraft application. After that, you want to simply sign in with the Microsoft account that owns the Realm. Tap on play over here and you want to simply select the Realms option over here. After that, you want to check whether your Realm shows as expired or inactive over here. If you have a Realm, you'll be able to see that information over here. After that, you want to simply open the App Store or platform where you have purchased the subscriptions such as Google Play Store, Microsoft Store, Xbox Store, etc. After that, you want to verify your subscription is active or your payment method is still valid. After that, you'll be able to renew the subscription if it has expired. If it has expired and after all that, you want to simply restart Minecraft and check if the realm has become available. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.